Today is a very special day for Emma. She wakes up early in the morning because she has an exciting plan. Emma and her best friend Lisa are going to a big fashion show in the city. It is the first time Emma will see a real fashion show, not on TV. She feels both happy and a little nervous. Emma stands in front of her mirror. She tries on 3 different dresses before she chooses one. Finally, she picks a simple white dress with small golden buttons. She also wears her favorite necklace and light pink shoes. Lisa sends her a message. "I'm ready. Let's go." The 2 friends meet at the bus stop. The city feels alive and full of noise. Buses pass quickly, and people hurry to work. Emma and Lisa talk about what they will see at the show. "I heard famous designers will be there," Lisa says. Emma answers, "Really? I can't believe it." When they arrive in the hall, they see a long line of people waiting to enter. Everyone is dressed so well. Shiny dresses, stylish suits, and bright accessories. Cameras flash everywhere. Emma whispers, "Wow, it feels like a movie." Inside, the music plays softly. The lights are pink, blue, and purple. There are big screens showing the names of the designers. The air smells like perfume and flowers. People are smiling and talking quietly. Then, the lights slowly go dark. Everyone becomes silent. A voice says, "Welcome to the Fashion Show 2025. The music starts. Slow, elegant, and magical. The first model walks on the stage. She wears a long silver dress that shines like the moon. Her hair is smooth, and her steps are confident. Emma gasps softly and says, "She looks like an angel." Lisa smiles and nods. Yes, she's amazing. More models walk one by one. Some wear dresses with feathers. Others wear bright colors, gold, blue, and red. Each model has a different style. The audience claps after every walk. Photographers take pictures quickly. Flashlights make the hall sparkle like stars. Emma feels like she is inside a dream. One of the models wears a dress made of lights. It glows as she moves. The music becomes faster, and people cheer. Emma says, "I didn't know clothes could shine like that." During the short break, Emma and Lisa drink juice and take photos together. Lisa posts a picture online with the caption, "Best day ever." Many people like and comment on it. Emma laughs and says, "We are famous now." When the second part of the show begins, the theme is nature. Models wear dresses that look like flowers, trees, and butterflies. Soft green light fills the hall. One dress is covered with small leaves. Another one looks like a waterfall, moving and shining. Emma whispers, "This is so creative." Lisa answers, "Yes, fashion is not only about clothes. It's about imagination." At the end, all the models come back to the stage together. They smile, wave, and stand in a line. The audience claps loudly. The designer walks out and bows. Cameras flash again, brighter than before. Emma feels inspired. She looks at Lisa and says, "I want to learn fashion design one day." Lisa smiles. "You should. You have great taste." Emma blushes and says, "Maybe I'll start with a small dress for my sister." After the show, they walk outside. The city lights glow, and people talk excitedly. Emma takes a deep breath. She feels happy, inspired, and full of dreams. It was not just a fashion show. It was a day that changed how she sees beauty, art, and confidence. That night, before sleep, Emma writes in her diary, "Today, I saw beauty, courage, and light. The world is full of ideas, and I want to be part of it. She closes her eyes with a smile. It was a perfect day.